YouTube, I am back with another video, and today I have decided to do another cooking video. At work we are having a potluck, and so I decided to cook buffalo chicken and Oreo white fudge. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. We gotta get this hair going, go to the store, and get to cooking. So I'm gonna see you when I got my hair done. Okay, I'm back with my hair on, and I'm sorry if the video cuts out, but we're gonna put on a jacket because it's raining outside. You're gonna go to IGA and get a buggy and get the shopping. Gotta get this. Okay, I'm back, and we're gonna go to the store and get our ingredients. So yeah, let's unplug my phone. Let me go get my card. Turn this heater off. Okay, so actually I gotta stop by the post office because there is a package that I have ordered. I ordered it on the 14th from a small business, and I've been waiting on it since, and I emailed her. So she said it's been delivered, so I'm gonna go check and see if I have it, and if not, I'm gonna email her back and let her know, and then we're gonna head to the store. I'll see. So I actually did get the package. It came in a little late. It was like delayed or something, and open this. Make sure this is the right bottle. And it is, thank you for supporting my small business. And this is the oil. Rosemary hair growth oil. So she did send another one. She asked me if I could either send it back or just purchase another one, and I think I'm just gonna purchase it so I don't have to pay shipping to send it back. So yeah, but anyways, we are about to go to the store. Did I forget to put my headband on? Yes, I did. Why'd y'all let me go out looking like that? Not y'all let me go out looking all ratchet. But anyways, we're going to the store. Okay, I have my AirPods Do y'all have white fudge?
What is that?
White fudge.
The only thing that we have, honey, is this vanilla almond bark. And then the white morsels, of course. Where are they at? Right there. Yeah.
Oh, this one. So Okay, so we got the Oreos and we are still shopping. I don't know, I'm just now realizing that you can't hear a word I'm saying in this clip. So we are looking around for more of the ingredients for the Oreo fudge. So yeah, this that I'm picking up now is cream cheese to go in the buffalo chicken dip. Trying to decide on how many to get. I look very clueless, like I don't know what I'm talking about or looking for. But yeah, I ended up getting 2 cream cheeses and I am grabbing it. I don't know why I'm taking so long to grab it. So yeah, we're going to go shop. But yes, I'm going to start doing more cooking videos. And now I'm looking for, I think we have hot sauce, but I'm going to get some more just in case. So yeah, I'm going to share this. I think we have ranch at home. I'm trying to get this to stay. I'll get a bottle of case. So I got my ranch and sauce. Buffalo ranch sauce. I got buffalo ranch mayo. Mayo racha. But so yeah, I'm gonna get into finish shopping and then I will see you guys.
All right, thanks, like.
No, you can go ahead. I'm trying to think of what else I need. Sorry, y'all. I'm back. I had to run a couple errands before I came back to the house. But we do got all the ingredients to make our Oreo white fudge and our buffalo chicken dip. We got our Oreos and our white fudge. So yeah, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna wash my hands. Then I'm gonna find a bowl. I don't know. We're gonna put it in the microwave to melt it. This was supposed to be white fudge. Oh, it smells like white fudge, but it's actually almond bark vanilla fudge coating. So guess I'm gonna use this bowl. And first, since we got this, I'm gonna try to break it so it's easier to melt. We're gonna melt this first. And then we're gonna put it in this little foil pan. So it tastes just like almond, or not almond, white chocolate. So we're gonna wait till that's melted, and then I'll come back to you. As of right now, I'm cutting up Oreos to go in the fudge. Might have burnt this batch, but other than that, I'm gonna sprinkle some Oreos in there. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all. We're back. Ignore this pot. That was from when I made fried green tomatoes. But this is the second batch, and this batch will be going, staying here at the house for us to eat. But the first batch is the one I made and kind of like messed up on. That's okay. If they like it, I will make another batch, depending on who works. But, so yeah, we got the white chocolate melting, and then we'll put the Oreos in it once we get down to that part. But yeah, get into it. Fudge is done. This is ours at the bottom, and this is Works. It is 3:47. It has to sit in here for 2 hours, so I'm gonna be back when the fudge is done. Let's go make buffalo chicken dip. Okay, Okay, so my hands are washed. Let me wash my hands again. My hands are washed. Get this out of the way. Let's put some gloves on. Hey guys, I'm back. The chicken is shredded. So now we gotta plug up the slow cooker. We got our ranch dressing and our cream cheese. We're gonna open these cream cheese, and then get the mix in, and buffalo chicken will be done. It was 3 something, I want to say, or 2 something when we finished our fudge. The fudge should be getting hard, should be getting almost ready to eat. So let's get into the buffalo chicken. Buffalo chicken is in the process of making. You just have the cream cheese, hot sauce, and ranch in your chicken. 2 rotisserie chickens, 2 things of cream cheese, hot sauce, and ranch. And I'm gonna wait till it warms up a little before I start stirring it. So yeah, it is now 4:48, and here is the fudge. The fudge is fudging. It's fudging. It's fudged up. Time to eat it. Hey, boo. Yeah. I'm back. Just got done eating. I didn't eat a buffalo chicken dip because that is for work. I made buffalo chicken dip and Oreo fudge. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video.